empty? Is it closed? Oh, it's the wrong door. Hey, where's the entrance? Oh, I think it's this one. They sauces. They got ketchup, horsey sauce, Arby sauce, honey mustard, spicy 3 pepper. They got the drink right here. Let's make some lemonade. So let's get some ice. Yeah, I'm gonna get lemonade. Alright. It flies. Okay. I got it on my fries. Okay. Ketchup, Arby sauce, and honey Dijon mustard. Alright, I want to try these. This is buffalo wings. Try myself here. Try it with the Arby sauce. I'm not opening it on my fries. That's what I'm looking over here. Alright. Alright, I'm done with the honey Dijon sauce. One? Not fries, boy. Wait a minute. Alright. You want to try the lemonade? Alright. Burn. What the fuck? This is me, not you. Am I gonna be on my food? Bro, no. No. We had McDonald's already. This is for me. I want to eat all my chicken. Here. Want sauce? Let me get some sauce. He's too much. If I go to him, he eat all my food, okay? Alright, so we're gonna try the roast beef. It's my first time. Did I tell y'all it's my first time eating this? I don't think I was smelling. Oh look, that looks so. Just beef, that's it? Nothing? No vegetables, no nothing. $13, by the way. Just ketchup. Dijon mustard. I'm gonna add my own thing to it because it's so like nothing on it. Like, come on. It's my first and last time trying this though.
Everybody, it's time to start something new. It's Jerry Horse from Donna Chrysler Jeep. This January, start something new with a new Gladiator. It's $2,500 savings. How about $2,000 on a new 23 Grand Cherokee? Start something new at the #1 Jeep dealer. Donna with the Donna line, you definitely paid too much. Donna Chrysler Jeep.
I like it. I thought I was gonna like it. I like it. It's good.
In print perfect, guaranteed. I need presentations and brochures printed, and they have to be perfect. Your bounded presentations, brochures with the finest folds, and more will be done right. So you can experience cough relief.
Right.
Breathe easier. Generations of families have trusted this vapor rub to help
My whole container.
so next time you cough, reach for the Vicks Vapor.
You cannot eat one money.
Cough relieving is
If you eating, you gotta give him some. Well, it depends on who you are, but I'm eating right now because he ate already. He ate his McDonald's and he just won't let me eat my food in peace. Like, I gotta share with him because he will not let me eat my food in peace. Like, boy, you ate already. You want ranch? Come on, you eat all my chicken. This is alright. This is good.
a locally owned store and a floral boutique on
It's like I always come over here and I'm like, let me try this. And I never try it. So you know what? Today I decided to try it. Go ahead. They gave me ranch sauce for the buffalo wings. I don't want no ranch. I wanted blue cheese, but they don't have it. And napkins. The whole napkins fell on the floor. The fries. Fries are alright.
Or see all our New Year's savings at 199chevy.com. That's 199chevy.com.
Like he just took my drink.
With GMF approval, 2.9% for 60 months, $17.90.
The phone was holding the drink and he just took my drink. Like
$28.06.
I can't have nothing in peace. This what happened with your mother. You gotta share all the time. Mind you, he ate already. Old McDonald's chicken sandwich, crispy meal, fries, and a drink. And I did not take none of his food. Wait, can mine? You wanna try this? Yep. You wanna try it? Here. You like it? It took him a while to take it in first. Yeah, like he's like, I like the Arby's sauce. It's okay. I don't think it's something really good to do.